What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am so excited to share with you this video. I have been waiting so long to get one of these. I did buy an Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory. To be exact, I am in love with this motorcycle, dude. Still my baby. She's not going anywhere. So don't even think anything like that. First, I want to say, before we get into this video, I really want to give a shout out to Unique Superbikes in Miami. Kaylin, Leo, Miguel, those are the three people that I mainly got to meet and interact with that day, but the whole staff was very friendly. Everybody was super inviting. The level of generosity and hospitality that they provided us, this was the best buying experience I have ever had in my entire life. So, that being said, let's get started. We'll get you into the video, and this is how it went. What's up, guys? Today we are taking a trip to Miami, Florida. We are on the turnpike right now, and a bunch of friggin' morning traffic here. It's fantastic. We're gonna go check out a 2023 Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory, and this thing, it's used. It has 238 miles on it. It has a tune, I'm not sure who from. It's got a bunch of carbon accessories on it, carbon wheels. Dude, this thing is tricked out. I'm really excited to see it. And if everything lines up how I'm hoping it will, then we might be coming home with it. So we'll see how this video actually goes. I live by Yeehaw Junction. Yeehaw! Bring it on down, buddy. Oh my gosh. We're about 2.5 hours out. Roughly. Look what you got.
Stuff for you.
Oh.
Okay? You sure? Yeah.
You want some more? Look what he's giving you. Oh my goodness.
Good stuff.
He said, oh my gosh, thank you so much. That's awesome. He just gave Hank a whole tomahawk. That is sick, bro. Yes, I was about to say that. GP shift. I'm not used to the GP shift, but we'll give her a shot. Alright, we're here at Unique Superbikes. Leo, the owner, Kaylin, sales manager. This is Miguel. They've all been really awesome to work with today. I'm really excited. I can't lie to you. I've never, yeah, this is crazy. Alright, GP shift. This bike is lowered. And SC projects, bro. Wait for this. Oh my god, dude. Will do. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am riding an Aprilia RSV4. Guys, listen to this thing, dude. Oh my god, I have a smile ear to ear. down. I'm gonna have to repeat that. Oh my god, bro. That is awesome! That is so cool, dude! Oh my gosh! Oh my god, you guys, I cannot believe I'm riding an Aprilia RSV4 factory! Oh my god! Listen to this beast, dude! Oh my gosh. I came here totally looking at a different bike too, bro. I wasn't even here to look at this. I didn't even know this was an option. And it wasn't even listed yet. Oh my gosh, bro. Now that's what I call a perfect match, bro. Unexpected. Auto flip! That is crazy, bro! Oh my god, I cannot wait to ride this thing, bro, please. This is my test ride, bro. This is my freaking test ride. Oh my gosh, you guys! This is unreal, bro. Taylor, my buddy back home, he was telling me that is so your personality. They're like, the SC Project exhaust might be a little obnoxious, and I'm like, oh, that's my middle name. Please let me hear it. I can't lie, I kind of like shifting down, like the GP shift to go up. Oh my god. That was crazy. That was crazy. Oh my goodness, I love this thing, dude. I can't, oh my gosh. I had to keep thinking down to go up and up to go down, and I was like, yeah, but it was sick. Yeah, it is. So it was my first time riding GP shift too, and that was awesome. I like it a lot. And thank you for giving Hank a bone. He loves that, so.
Yeah, I haven't seen on the truck. There's another one.
There's another one? Oh my goodness. Bro, where else are you just gonna come into a bike shop, then give you the tomahawk to the meal they cooked you while you... Dude, this is the best buying experience I've ever had in my life. This is crazy. My dog is here eating a bone on their couch right now. This is insane. Boy, yeah. I know, right? Look what I'm sitting next to. This shit is crazy. I do want to, my tendency is to go down one. I still am in awe that I can even say this is my bike. I am in love with the V4 sound, with the electronic suspension. There's so much to this bike that I have yet to uncover, but what I have uncovered is so far so good, and it's amazing. I have nothing but good things to say about this motorcycle. And it's not like the Ducati. It doesn't run like, it's hot, but it's not like hot, like right on my leg. Like Jacob's gotten blisters from his Ducati, so I can't wait to get a review video done and go through all the settings and show you guys all the features that this thing has to offer. I just had to get it out there and show you guys because this thing, I can't keep it hidden forever. Thank y'all for watching. Definitely check out Unique Superbikes. It was 110% worth every single bit that I was there. These guys are amazing and they know what they're doing. Kaylin, Leo, again, thank you very much. You set me up with my dream bike here. Thank you. And thank you guys for watching another video. We'll see y'all in the next one. Ride safe. See ya.
Man, I wish I could shoot. You know what I'm saying? If everybody wasn't in the fucking way.